Recently, we've received some comments from followers. Hi there. What model have you shoot? Which model has dropped in price? And what model are you going to shoot next? I will sell it first. For a moment, Chino thought. The probability is so amazing. Actually, think about it carefully. It is not because our precise prediction, but the overall price of the screen market this year is indeed not very good. From the end of last year to till now, almost all the screens of models on the market are in a downward trend. Chino tells everyone responsibly that the downward trend of screens is far from over. The market is ever changing, and there are many factors that affect the price. The reason for the continuous decline of the screen will be explained in a market analysis video. To explain this phenomenon in the future, Chino Tech hopes to find the deepest answer in these market analysis videos that we released. This week, let's take a look at the screen market of Huawei Mate 40. Huawei Mate 40 was released in 2020. The original screen order was placed to domestic factory BOE. It is a 6.5-inch flexible curved OLED screen with full HD/COF scheme and side hole style. So what is the current market situation of this screen on the market? Let's look at the original screen. First of all, the brand new original screen. As a domestic factory, BOE has a small amount of original glass that will flow back to the mainland through Hong Kong and use it to make screen. That's how the brand new original screen came about. The quality of this screen is undoubtedly the best, and the current market price is about 600 yuan. Then is the original refurbished screen. The prices of the original refurbished screen and the brand new original screen are not much different. The difference is about 30 yuan. Because the quantity of the brand new original screen is relatively small, it will not affect the price of the original refurbished screen much. At present, there is no OEM screen on the market. The main reason is that this model is relatively new, and the quantity of this screen has not yet increased. So there is not enough profit or enough refurbishment materials to spawn the refurbishment industry chain of this screen model. Currently, the cost of Mate 40 original screen is 600 plus yuan. In fact, the prices from upstream to the maintenance shop, and then to the customer, are almost 1,000 yuan. This price is actually quite expensive for the customers. So are there any more price performance alternatives on the market? Then look at the OLED screen. There is currently no OLED screen. Why? We've explained this kind of situation in detail before. First of all, there is no public mold glass suitable for this OLED screen on the market. Secondly, Mate 40 has been on the market for only a short time, and the amount of screen replacement is small. Currently, it is not cost-effective to invest a lot of money to open molds and develop schemes. However, according to the latest news from the market, in the later stage, there will be a small batch of Visionox screen. It is expected that at the beginning of next year, Visionox flexible OLED screen will fill the market gap. Visionox is also regarded as a powerful domestic factory, and it is relatively good in terms of overall quality. Visionox uses ready-made curved glass to make public mold glass. After a little modification of the scheme, it becomes a Mate 40 OLED screen glass that can be used in the aftermarket. But this screen is likely to be sold as an original screen in the market. The glass size of Visionox will be slightly smaller than the original one. When you buy the original screen, you can use this to discriminate if it is a original screen. Finally, let's look at the InCell Screen market. InCell Screen that currently circulating in the market is made of JDI's glass, with 6.517-inch Full HD resolution/COG scheme. Imitation dual-hole screen. The whole of this InCell screen is very interesting. It imitates the whole design of Mate 40 Pro, at first glance, as if the phone has upgraded. At the same time, because the original is a curved screen, in order to meet the user's habits, the cover plate of this InCell screen is made into the shape of a hot curved surface. However, in terms of display, the curved part is black border and cannot be displayed. But the screen looks like a curved surface, and the real display area is only the flat displayed part. At present, this screen is about more than 300 yuan in the market. Compared with the original screen, this price has a certain price performance. However, from the perspective of the InCell screen itself, there is still a lot of room for price reduction for this model. Because the material cost of this InCell screen is not high, The same 6.517-inch glass. The cost of InCell Screen of different models is basically within 100 yuan. If currently, the cost of developing Mate 40 scheme is a large investment in the early stage, then when the factory gradually recovers, the cost of developing this scheme in the future, the price of this InCell Screen should drop a lot. According to the current market trend, Chino predicts that this price won't last for too long. So this InCell Screen, if you are not in a hurry to stock up, you can just wait and see. In general, there are not many screen types on the market today. For Mate 40 model, compared with several existing screens, the original screen seems to be more price-performance comprehensively. Follow Chino Tech. Take you to get the frontier dynamics of screen market.